Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Make Money with Kings. Right here in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free $100,000 free Forex funded account and also a free $10,000 Profem Challenge account. Yes, you heard me right. This is a Profem Challenge account that you can actually withdraw from, and I'm going to be guiding you through step-by-step processes on how to get this account. But before I start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I have been noticing that most of you haven't yet turned on your notification button. If you've modded this channel, I want you to click on your notification button so that when next I drop a video, you'll be the first person to see this video and you'll be the first person to get this offer. So now, without wasting too much of our time, the link to get this free account will be in the description of this video and also in the comment section. Make sure you click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel. So this is my Telegram channel, and as you can see, these are the benefits they are getting. I've already told them beforehand that I was going to drop a free $100,000 funded account and a free $10,000 Profem Challenge account. And these are some other updates that I drop here in my Telegram channel that I didn't drop on the YouTube channel. These are the update, as you can see right here on the screen. I made a $1,000 from this platform, a money making update, and there is one that I have been making money every single day. As you can see, this is the withdrawal proof right here on the screen. This is the $1,000 and this is the free $50. This is my name and my email. So if you know that you're interested in making money every single day, use the link in the comment section and also in the description of this video to join. Now that you've joined, congratulations to you. So this is where you'll be taken to, and you're going to be seeing something like this. Hold on, you're going to be seeing something like this. The link to claim this bonus will be attached to a thumbnail like this. So once you've clicked on it, you don't have to panic. You'll be taken to an interface like this, which is where you will actually be getting the free $100,000 Forex funded account and also the free $10,000 Profem Challenge account. Now, I don't know which one to start with, but I guess we are going to be starting with a free $10,000 Profem Challenge account. And the second one is a competition account, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get it. But this free $10,000 challenge account is not a competition account. It is a challenge account that you can actually withdraw from. Make sure you watch this video till the very end, because if you don't, you miss your chance of getting this account, and it is very tricky. So once you've gotten to an interface like this, the first thing you want to do is for you to continue with Google. All right, so continue with Google, and once you've clicked on Google, this is where you'll be taken to. So I've already registered an account with them. So as for you, if you're going to register another account with them, just choose the account you want to register. So I've chosen the email. Just click on continue. So immediately you clicked on continue, this is where you'll be taken to. As you can see, you are one step ahead. So the first thing you have to do now, pay attention. You have to enter your username, your first name and your last name, your date of birth, your day and your year. So once you've entered everything, just click on continue. So as you know, you can enter a simple date of birth. Make sure that it matches your NIN details, because if you want to withdraw, you are going to be needing it. All right, so let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So let me just enter my, hold on guys, let me enter my, I want to enter it right here so that you guys can see, so that you won't miss out on anything at all. So now let's go get it. All right, let's go get it. So let's enter my month, let's enter the day, a date, let's enter the year. So after that, just click on continue. So immediately you've clicked on continue, this is where you'll be taken to, and as you can see, my referral code will be here automatically. Make sure you use my referral code so that you can get the bonus and the account. So once you've clicked on it, just enter the country. So as from me, I'm from Nigerian. All right, I'm in Nigerian and I'm proud of my country here. So enter Nigeria, click on this and click on create account. Make sure you enter the code. So as you can see, account has been created. So this is where you'll be taken to. So after you've made profit, this is how you can actually request for the payout, and these are the trading rules. Okay, these are the trading rules, and this is where I'm going to be showing you how to get a free $10,000 Profem Challenge account and a free $100,000 Forex competition account. It is a tournament account, and I believe in you that you can actually make it throughout. So this is my name right here. All you have to do is to get familiarized with this account. The allocated capital is $0. The total equity is $0. So just scroll down to check some things, some few things. Make sure you scroll out to check them, all right? So you can also check their evaluation. You can check their evaluation. As you can see, there is no account yet. So now the next thing you are going to do in order for you to get this free $10,000 Profem Challenge account is for you to click on this three diamonds written up here. As you can see, on the top is a diamonds, and there is a three number right here in front of it. So click on it. So immediately you've clicked on it, this is where you'll be taken to. Now, the goal is to generate a credit balance to be able to purchase the free $10,000 challenge account for free. So, as you can see, there are 40 tasks that needs to be performed right here. And I'm going to be showing you how you can earn more tax in order for you to be able to get this account. Now, I understand that I've made a video about this type of account before, and a lot of you were unable to get it, but I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get this one and how you can redeem the credit in order for you to be able to purchase the account. So this is it. As you can see, there are 40 tasks that you need to perform in order for you to get the account, but not necessarily you don't have to perform 30 tasks. I'm going to be showing you a simple way, and that is why this video is quite different. So these are the ways to earn, and I'm going to talk about it very brief. But before that, let me show you the account that you can actually get. So to get the account, just scroll down here and click on spend in shop. Let me show you how you can get the $10,000 Profem Challenge account. So once you click on spending shop, this is where you'll be taken to. As you can see, here is a free $5,000 challenge account. This is it. And right now your credit is three credit, and you need 800 credit, which means there is still, you still need more, 797 more. All right, so now I'm going to be showing you, you can go for the lowest if you know that you don't want to do a lot of stress. So this is the popular one, which is the free $10,000 challenge account. This is a free 25,000 challenge account. So if you know you need a lot of capital for you to start trading, you can go for this. All right, so this is a 50k, this is a free $100,000. So this is it, and this one is also coming soon. Now that you've seen everything, you can select the one you want to choose, whether it is this or whether it is this. So as for me, let's say we are going for the 5k challenge account on. So this is how you can actually go for it. So let's go back to where we are coming from to earn more. So to earn more, all you have to do is to click and come down to this place, and you have to do every single task that are here. As you can see, the single task is evaluation. The first one to earn 10 plus 10 credit is evaluation started. So click on go right here. Sorry for the disruption. All right, so click on go, and after that all you have to do is to scroll down, and as you can see, wow, there is plus 40 points right here. Just click on go and you are good to go. So just like that, check them out, check them out. There are a lot of things right here. So after you've completed them, just claim them, just claim them. And as you can see, claim it done. As you can see, 30 has been claimed, 30 has been claimed. So there are ones that you can actually claim automatically. So now let's go and check whether the 30 has already reflected. You can click on this 10, you can click on this 2. So just click on it. This is a cheat code, guys. This is a cheat code. So as you can see, our balance is now 45 credits. It is as simple as joke. So now the next thing for you to do is for you to redeem. All right, so normally after getting it, just go and spend in the shop. Just come to this place, click on spend in the shop. Hold on, guys. So click on spend in the shop. So immediately you've clicked on it, you will see something like redeem point right here. You guys are already familiar with it. All right, this is no joke at all. So click on redeem, and your login details will be sent to your account. Whether you are going to be using MT5, you'll be told. Whether you're going to be using their platform, which is their terminal, you'll be told. Now let me show you how you can get the free $100,000 tournament competition account. I believe in you guys. You can actually win it. You can do it. I believe you. So now let's go. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on this three line by the left side. Don't forget to like this video as you're watching and send it to your friends. So click on the three line, you'll be taken to somewhere like this. This is actually a live account that you can get, that you can make money from, and I'm going to be showing you how you can make payout. This is the payout dashboard. Let's just check it out before we proceed. So click on payout. Once you click on payout, your balance will be here. Your balance will be here. Your stuff will be here. Just enter the necessary details and enter request for payout. The reason why it's not clickable right now is because you haven't yet made any profit. So now to get the free $100,000 competition account, click on this and come to this tournament. So this is the World Cup. Yeah, this is the World Cup. So just click on tournament. So after you've clicked on tournaments, let's hold on for them. So this is where you'll be taken to claim free 100,000 account, $100,000 account. You only have 25 days left. This is not a bluff, guys. This is not a bluff. You only have this one left. It's gonna end on August 31st of this month. So if you know that you want to get it, you are going to be trading on their platform. So actually, how to get it, just click on claim account, and as you can see, claiming. So this is it. It has been claimed successfully. It is as simple as that. Now see, people who are competing are 585, which means that I trust you guys. You can actually perform well and win this World Cup for me. All right, and you can also come to my DM to come and celebrate me. Okay, so now let's proceed. So now that you've claimed it, just come to this place and click on open web trader. All right, remember we are families. Okay, so this is it. How can you trade? You already know how to follow the signal. These are the currency pairs that you're going to be trading. This is euro USD. This is five. Right now it is in 15 minutes time frame. This is 1 day. This is, so you can just read the chart, and as you can see, this is an upward trend. So you can just go like, all right, I'm gonna sell, I'm gonna buy, I'm gonna do a lot of stuff. So that's how you can just do it. This is the position. You can enter the position, the market position right here. You can enter the trade volume, the lot size. You can change it anytime, and you can click on whether you're gonna buy or whether you're gonna sell. And also you can close all position right here, and you can come back here. As you can see, this is a live account, and after making the profit, just go and do what I taught you the other time and request for payout. It is as simple as that. Stay tuned, guys, because I'm going to be looking for a legit no deposit bonus or profit account that you can actually withdraw from directly. Stay tuned and stay active. I love you guys. There is nothing you can do about it. Peace out.